Pandas to _SQL connection with Sqlalchemy. I am trying to send data to a MySQL database on a server that has require_Sq_transport equals on. When I am trying to connect to it with the following code, I get the following error. I have searched for options into how to make the connector use Sq_transport, but I haven't been able to find anything that works. One solution I found called for adding SSL equals true to the end of the connect_string. But this gave the following error. I am able to connect to the database using only MySQL in this way. But I can't find a way to implement this with the Sqlalchemy connector. Anyone have some suggestions on what to do to get this to work? Regards.
Figured out the solution after looking around a bit more. MySQL is usually set up to generate CA files and keys on the fly if it is not supplied to it, but the issue was sending the correct flag to PyMySQL so it doesn't go looking for a local CA file. Found this out here. Unable to make TLS TCP connection to remote MySQL server with PyMySQL, other tools work. You simply pass a dictionary with a SSL key that has a dictionary with one key with the value true. I use the key name fake_flag_to_enable_TLS for clarity, but it can be anything it seems. Hope someone else finds this useful.